is Shaheen. Welcome to Shaheen's Kitchen. How are you all? Hope everyone is doing well. Well, it's been a long time since we have met and I was missing you all a lot. So today I'm here with a new recipe and it's Shrikhand. Two way we're going to make it. One with the flavor of strawberry and another with regular nutmeg. So let us begin. Shrikhand is made with curd and this is sweet curd which we have to hung it. This is called hung curd. We have to take a muslin cloth, put all the curd in it, and down we have to keep a strainer so that all the water is here. And now this is thick curd and we have to add rest of the things. It took 2 hours to reach this consistency. This is half a kg. I took half a kg of curd and first we'll add sugar to it. Regular powder sugar. First we are taking 5 teaspoons. We are going to mix with the blender, taste it and then add if we require some more. I think we'll require some more sugar into it, and you don't have to add anything. I have divided into 2 parts. In one we're going to add the strawberry crush which I have prepared at home. If you have some other like pineapple you can add, but this tastes great. So it has got sugar. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of it. And it tastes really awesome. It's that simple. We have to serve it. We can serve it in individual bowls or in a serving bowl. We can serve it with little decoration. And now in the second one, this is nutmeg, jaifal, and it has got wonderful aroma, but we have to add it in very little quantity, just 2-3 pinches, that's all. The one in which we have added nutmeg, we can decorate it with pistachio and cashew nuts, and we have to chill it before serving. So let us chill them. So friends, here Shrikhand is ready and it's looking amazing and I'm sure it is going to taste great. So just do give a try and don't forget to subscribe my channel and please do comment whether you tried it or not, and enjoy your cooking. Have a nice time.